Imagine this, you're deep in the jungle. The air is thick, heavy with the scent of damp earth. Vines curl around your boots, you're miles from civilization, a guest in an ancient, untamed world, and suddenly, you feel it. A prickling on the back of your neck, a sense that you are no longer alone. Eyes are watching you. You freeze. Your heart is pounding. Then, through the dense shadows, you see a tiger. Not in a zoo, a real wild tiger. What do? Your mind screams, run! But that is the single worst thing you could do. First rule, do not run. Seriously, don't even think about it. Tigers can sprint faster than Usain Bolt, over 35 miles per hour. To a tiger, a running figure isn't a threat, it's prey. It's an invitation. If you bolt, you're just triggering a lethal chase instinct that you have absolutely no hope of outrunning. So what should you do? Stand tall, raise your arms, open up your jacket if you're wearing one. The goal is to look as big and intimidating as possible. You're no longer an easy meal, you're a potential threat. Tigers are cautious predators, they respect size and confidence, and an injury from a fight could be a death sentence. Next, lock eyes with the tiger. I know, it feels unnatural, but tigers are ambush predators. If they think they've lost the element of surprise, they might back off. Never turn your back. Never. Tigers are hardwired to attack from behind. It's why some locals in India's Sundarbans famously wear masks on the back of their heads to trick them. Now start backing away slowly. One step at a time, always facing the tiger. Don't trip over a root, steady is key. And whatever you do, keep your cool. But what if the tiger charges? It's terrifying, but don't give up. Often this is a mock charge, a bluff to see if you'll run. Stand your ground. If it's a real attack, fight for your life. Grab a stick, throw rocks, shout. Fight with everything you've got. Tigers can sense weakness, but they'll also respect a fierce opponent who refuses to be a victim. Remember, these tactics are based on real encounters, but the best survival tip is prevention. When hiking in tiger country, make noise to alert wildlife. Travel in a group. Learn to recognize the signs like tracks or claw marks. Respect the tiger's territory. Tigers don't want to mess with humans any more than we want to mess with them. Awareness and courage, these are your best defenses. So next time you're trekking through the wild, stand tall, stay calm, and remember, you've got this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more wild survival tips.